You want to know another thing that make an excellent one-off standalone gift? This thing right here. Everybody appreciate a earbud. Everybody will tuck this in the back of their closets. And again, Walmart shelf is a little bit empty, still reeling from the pandemic. But everybody would appreciate an earbud. Everybody would tuck this underneath their bed until they have visitors. That special someone for yourself. Treat yourself, you deserve it. For the mother-in-law. Gotta impress the mother-in-law, then you impress the wife afterwards. These make excellent gifts for when people come in town for Christmas, etc. And every home should have one of these tucked underneath the bed or somewhere in the closet, just for that time when you have a crisis or a wedding or something like that, and everybody converge. You should have one of these, and you want one that has the self pump. So you could just, turn the knob and it blow it own self up. Yeah.